Hello everyone, today is 26th July 2021. I am standing next to my vanilla strawberry hydrangea. Yesterday it rained a lot, so few of their branches they are leaning towards east because that side is little bit down, and but they are looking so beautiful. I just thought, let me not forget to share with you. So I will take you around this plant, see its beauty. See the time, it's about to be sunset, but not soon, I believe. Maybe some people like when they change the color, but in every stage, this is the stage where I like them more, in this color, which is creamy white, you can say. See the zinnia. This is just once a year, so I don't want to miss. See, they are getting little bit pinkish. And this plant only on the, like 3 years ago when I planted, at that time only I gave Miracle Grow, I think that brand soil. That's it. After that I did not fertilize or did anything else. So I believe it is the cultivar, the type we buy the plant. Here is the coleus. And then I wanted to show you this tiger lily. So see, that is old bloom. This is new bloom. So you can see from the how they look. There are many more buds to be opened. So next to the tiger lily, this is my autumn jade sedum. Slowly they are growing, and I think they may need another 2-3 weeks to be opened, I mean to bloom. But see, this is the stage today, how they look. This is the second tiger lily. So that is little older. This is new to be opened. This is new. And here is the big leaf hydrangea. I'm thinking I'll cut this one to preserve its color, to make it dry flower. Maybe I'll remove it tomorrow. Before that, let me show you. See this pretty, then this pretty, and then this. See, you cannot count how many bees are there. This is Russian sage. Then this is my hardy hibiscus, the pink one with big blooms. See this beauty hiding somewhere. So today somehow, I don't know, all the flowers are facing downward. Maybe because of the rain or what. This is zebra grass. This is how the oak leaf hydrangea, the bloom already changed its color. Then let me show you this beauty. I think I have already shown you this. But anyway, see this zinnia. That is an old one. See pink one. I have seen zinnia a lot in India, in Odisha. So initially I was not tempted that much, but after watching lot of YouTubers and knowing that they are very easy to grow, just pour the seed, and I tried, and last year I saw they are performing very good. They don't need very good care, and in summer with hydrangea, they are the second good plant to include in the garden. So this year I sowed here and there in many places. Then let me show you this limelight, because more blooms are opened now. It makes me very happy because this is the first season in my house, I mean in my garden, these bloom. So I only watched other YouTubers and others limelight, and I always wanted one. I think that is the one that started opening its petal first. And see, they are still like chartreuse green, or what they say, very light green, the colors. See, I was there with Zinnia and Cleome. In my garden, my borders are not very good because I am still in the middle of constructing them. So I keep on adding plants so that each year they will settle. That is the first, and then I can make the border beautiful later also. But for the plants to grow and to be matured, you cannot buy the time. So you have to think what you want to do first. See, the vanilla strawberry was so beautiful, but now it is 3 years, it is its third season. So I believe at least 2 years they need. On the third season they perform much better. they may change their color soon, so they may not stay in this light green color. Little pink they may get it, so before that happens, because the temperature is now not 100, it is in 80s. To show you, see this, how it changed color. So that means slowly the blooms may get this color. So that is my limelight. Now I am standing next to my sweet summer hydrangea to show you how it is looking today. I think today is one of the best day of its beauty, that I can say for sure. So the blooms looks like vanilla strawberry hydrangea, but if you notice, that has a little bigger flower head than as compared to this one. Though they are also very beautiful, but the vanilla strawberry is a little bigger, and with time, the vanilla strawberry, they start adding pink color from the bottom, like from here, and then slowly it grows. But this one, I think all together they get pink, so they don't look like bottom part pink fast and still the top part cream. They don't look, they all get pink at a time. So that is the difference that I have observed. I am here near a yellow daylily. I forgot the color, how it will bloom. I want to end my today's video here, and I came here because this one is the first bloom of this daylily, and today it bloomed. So I am under this ornamental plum tree, purple plum tree, and I had one daylily there I planted I think 3 years ago, and one there, so that bloomed a lot, kind of magenta color. I have shared the pictures many times. So that, I think 2-3 years ago it started already blooming, but this one didn't bloom. Today is the first time it bloomed. So that's it for today. I wanted to stop here. Thank you for watching.